Thanks, Tony. Tonight, the gunman in one of the most infamous Rhode Island murder cases in recent history is appealing his conviction.
Esteban Carpio is trying to convince Rhode Island's highest court that he should have been found not guilty because of his mental illness.
Carpio was convicted of murdering Detective Sergeant James Allen with Allen's own gun back in 2006 and sentenced to life in prison without parole.
Now Carpio wants his conviction overturned, his sentence reduced, or a chance at a new trial.
Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly is live at the Rhode Island Supreme Court with the latest developments.
More than 6 years after one of the most emotionally charged murders in Rhode Island history, the state Supreme Court today heard arguments in the appeal of convicted cop killer Esteban Carpio. It was a murder that stunned Rhode Island and reverberated around the country. The shooting death with his own gun of Providence police detective James Allen in April of 2006. Esteban Carpio was convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Today, a public defender tried to convince the state Supreme Court to order the trial judge to declare Esteban Carpio not guilty because he was not criminally responsible due to mental illness. But all 5 Supreme Court justices sounded skeptical.
He asked for a cup of water to get somebody out of the room. He jumped from the window in a way that would preserve him from breaking his leg. He called for a cab. Those are all rational acts, I would think.
Your Honor, there is some preservation of cognitive functioning in individuals with mental illness.
A state prosecutor called Esteban Carpio's conduct very deliberate and very willful.
What is very significant is that he lied. He lied about his identity. He gave a false name. He gave a false place of employment. And the only time he became agitated was when Detective Allen said, "We know exactly who you are, and you are in serious trouble."
If the Supreme Court chooses not to throw out the conviction, Esteban Carpio's lawyer asked for 2 alternate remedies, either a new trial or a new sentence from life without parole to life with parole. A decision is expected sometime in the next 60 days. Live at the Supreme Court with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.